So I just got home from shopping, and I consider myself a pretty frugal person. I don't spend a lot of money on extra stuff, but obviously we need the necessities. But let me tell you, going out today can actually, and if someone else does this, can actually cost you $100. So I went to the gas station. I spent $50. And I went to Target and I bought toilet paper, I bought toothpaste, and I think I bought a snack. It ran me $42. And then I also stopped in real quick at Ulta. I actually don't have the receipt right here, but I believe I spent $20. So if you add that up, I believe it comes to about $110, over $100. Guys, this can be difficult for some people, especially if you have a family of 4 or larger. So if you think about it and you need to earn extra money just to take care of the necessities in your house. I know it's getting expensive with groceries and gas. The prices are going up. Have you ever thought about maybe doing an online business or an online hobby where you can earn extra income that takes care of all this stuff and you don't have to worry about, oh my God, that's expensive. Where am I getting the extra money in my budget this month? Guys, you can do that with affiliate marketing. And honestly, with affiliate marketing, like a place like Ulta, you can actually promote their product and earn income by just saying, hey, whatever your favorite product is and how much you love it and what it does, click the link in my bio. And if someone clicks on that link, you earn a commission. Did you know that? Think about that. Think about if they clicked on that link multiple times a day, how much money you could earn. Something to process.